a short bag, so I cut the neck off so it could be like a real bag, not like it's so covered up. And I cut the 2 sleeves off so that can be the handles. And I also cut this bottom because I thought it was too long. And next I'm going to get my scissors and cut little lines like that. So now I am going to cut them. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So you cut it like this. And yeah, that's how you do it. So I just finished cutting all the strips on the bottom. Now I'm going to take the 2 and tie it 2 times. Okay, now this one. So I'm done running off my 2 pieces. So now I am going to take one of the handles and flip it inside out, like go inside it with my hands, flip it